What's up, guys? Today, I have 3 of my mom's favorite cereals. I'm gonna pour one in a bowl. She's gonna guess which one it is blindfolded. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna pour one in the bowl, okay? Almond milk, baby, the best kind.
What is it?
Not yet. Let me grab you a spoon.
Frosted Flakes, Eggo.
Or Cheerios. Yellow, one bite. Can you guess? Here, I'll put the box in front of you. You can open your eyes and see what box it is. It's in front of you.
Tastes weird.
Blindfold.
Cat food يا ابن الشليتة. Cat food one. تعال عنديبك.
Okay, Mama. You have 1 minute to separate the salt from the pepper. If you don't do it, then you owe me this 100. Okay?
Okay, let's
All right.
do it. Move.
What are you doing? Okay, stop. I said separate the salt from the pepper.
I'm trying it.
Separate
I
the
can't.
Mama, watch. Are you ready? Are you ready, Mama? Salt from the pepper.